Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. So basically we're on the Amino app and I'm going to show you guys how you're able to take out or you're able to earn Amino tokens. So one thing I want to share with you guys, so they have an announcement. So basically in their announcement is that they will be launching their amino token on October the 24th, which is just 2 weeks away. So most of stuff that I'm not able to share right now because I don't really know. And that day everything will be finalized, so you guys will be know more about it. So basically the amino app is basically an app that you're able to exercise. So once you're generating movement, that will calculate to your steps, and those steps will be transferred over to amino tokens. So as you guys can see right here, they have a daily goal of 10,000 steps. So just to keep that into consideration, and as you guys can see, 0.1 slash 20 amino. So if you're able to earn 0.1 um slash 20, you will get 20 amino. So that's basically all the information that we can see here. But once the launch, I think we'll be getting more information. So yes guys, also they do have a referral link. So if you go ahead and sign up with the referral link that I have down below, you will be getting a 5 amino. So just to keep this into consideration. So yes guys, and once basically your join the app, they have a referral program. So once you use your referral link to invite someone, you will be getting 100 amino token. So just to keep that into consideration. So yes guys, so they also have goals, the leaderboard. So let me guys show you the leaderboard. So they also have a leaderboard. So that's basically people that are making um more than the ordinary amino. So people that are making more amino than others. So the number one person, basically they made 248 amino. So just to keep that into consideration, that you can by earning, you can be on the leaderboard as well if you're interested in that. So in the settings, they do have a dark mode and they do have the light mode. So I was on the dark mode, now I'm on the light mode. So you can just go into the settings and choose which one you are interested in. So yes guys, so guys, what I want to do today, also I want to cash out some Litecoins. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into my Freecash account. I think I have $1 in coins. So what I want to do right now is press the cash out button, and I'm gonna take out $1 in Litecoin. So it's a little bit slow. So here, so yes guys, so after this guys, I will be doing a live, basically show you guys how you're able to earn cryptocurrency, so that you're able to start collecting your cryptocurrency, so that you're able to just build on your spot portfolio, because that's basically what I'm doing, and I'm sharing that with you guys. So I'm just gonna click the withdraw button, and as you can see, successfully my cash out was successful. So that's going to one of my accounts. So yes guys, So basically, that's that I want to share with you guys. I also have some earnings in my Cointiply account. So as you guys can see, I am able to take out $3 in Litecoin or Doge or Doge. So I'm gonna take it out in Litecoin, but I'm waiting until and see if we have a pullback. If we have a pullback, then I'm gonna go and take out that. So that's basically, guys, how I am stacking up on my spot portfolio by using this money making app. So yes, guys, so if you're interested in also building your portfolio from scratch free with money making app, you can go ahead and join my live. I will be scheduling it just after this, and we will just go over some stuff, and I'll show you guys basically what I'm doing. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice, and I hope you guys find value in the video. So before I go, guys, I just want to say, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.